Happy birthday, Sophia Carpio Elisha! Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto ka. Sana tubuan ka na ng tite. Yes! Happy birthday, Carpio! Yun lang, bye.
Happy birthday, Eliza! Laging bumibili sa akin.
Happy birthday, Carpio. Happy birthday, Carpio.
Hi Sophia, happy birthday anak. So I pray that you will have a wonderful day. And hindi lang yun, I just really wanted that you will have a good health and lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay, ipanalangin mo sa Diyos na ibigay niya sa'yo. Because you know, without the guidance of God, you won't be able to succeed in everything that you wanted to have in your life. Again, happy birthday and just enjoy it. Okay? So God bless you.
Hello, Pipi! Happy birthday. Alam mo, love kita. Stay sweet, happy, and muret. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sophia. God bless you. Mag-aral ng mabuti and good luck.
Happy birthday, Sophie! Sana lalo kang gumanda. Ay, wow!
Hello, Carpio. Ang bilis ng panahon, ano? Birthday mo na. Ang wish ko para sa iyo, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging masunong sa magulang, at maging tuwa ka sa yung mga kaibigan mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Elisha! Asa ng blow ka na?
Wow!
Happy birthday, Elisha. God bless you, anak.
Hi, Elisha! Happy birthday! Happy birthday daw! Hi, Elisha! Elisha! Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday, Sophia Carpio. Ayan ang pinakamatangkad sa lahat. 16 ka pa lang pala. Akala ko nasa 18 ka na. Yun. God bless you. Tapos mag-aral ka ng mabuti kasi nandyan ka naman sa maayos na section. Nandyan ka na sa mga... Huwag kang sasama kay Heart.
Bakit?
Dahil joke lang. And wala na akong masabi. Ulitin ko, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi! So, yeah, Sophia here, and happy birthday to you. And I just want you to know that they forced me to do this. And they threatened me, so I have no choice. So, yeah. So I hope you a happy and healthy life. Hui! And I hope, yeah, more birthdays to come. They make me speechless all because they're threatening me right now. Anyway, kidding aside, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Punyata ka.
Pakita mo kayo.
Happy birthday. Have fun on your special day and always stay lovely. God bless.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Sophia Elisha Carpio!
Birthday, sis.